Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Dell battery is probably one of the most crucial components of your laptop, and when it starts to fail, it can bring your productivity to a screeching halt. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Dell battery replacements, exploring everything from identifying the right battery for your specific model to the step-by-step process of swapping it out, ensuring your laptop stays powered up and ready for anything. Number 5. DMKAOLLK 33WH Laptop Battery for Dell. This is a replacement battery for your Dell laptop. It's designed to be a perfect fit and provide reliable power. It's a great way to extend the life of your laptop. This battery has a 15.2 V voltage and a 56 Wh capacity. It features 4 cells and comes in black. The battery is new and can last for more than 1,000 cycles. The battery is compatible with part numbers like 33YDH and PVHT1. It's a direct replacement for many Dell laptop batteries. This ensures it will work seamlessly with your device. This battery works with Dell Inspiron, G3, G5, G7, and Latitude series laptops. It is also compatible with Vostro series. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice. The DMKAOLLK replacement battery meets CE, FCC, RHS, and UL standards. You can be assured of its safety and performance. It is a reliable choice for your laptop. You'll receive the 33YDH battery, 2 screwdrivers, and a user manual. Everything you need to replace the battery is included. This makes the installation process easy. What we like. This battery boasts impressive compatibility, fitting a wide range of Dell laptops. It also comes with a 12-month warranty, giving you peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable replacement with comprehensive coverage, this is the one for you. What people say. The battery works perfectly. The battery is exactly what I needed. The battery fit perfectly. Number 4. WDX0R battery for Dell Inspiron laptops. Tired of your laptop dying at the worst moments? This WDX0R battery is designed specifically for Dell Inspiron models. It's the perfect solution to keep your work and entertainment going. This battery is compatible with a variety of Dell Inspiron 13, 15, and 17 series laptops. Check the list to ensure it fits your specific model. It's a reliable replacement for your old battery. The WDX0R battery offers 42 Wh of power at 11.4 V. It features a 3-cell design and comes in black. This ensures it provides long-lasting performance for your laptop. The package includes the WDX0R battery, 2 free screwdrivers, and a user manual. This makes the installation process straightforward and hassle-free. You can easily replace your old battery. This battery meets CE, FCC, RHS, and UL certified standards. You can trust that it is safe and reliable. It is a high-quality replacement battery for your Dell laptop. What we like. This battery offers a compact design, making it a great fit for various Dell Inspiron models. The package includes 2 free screwdrivers for easy installation. If you value convenience and a hassle-free replacement process, this battery is an excellent choice. What people say. The battery works perfectly. The battery is exactly what I needed. The battery fit perfectly. Number 3. Replacement J1KND 11.1 V48WH Dell Laptop Battery. Is your laptop battery draining too fast? This replacement battery is designed specifically for your Dell Inspiron and Vostro series laptops. It's the perfect solution to keep you powered up. This Li-ion battery provides 11.1 V and 48 Wh of power with 6 cells. It offers reliable performance, ensuring your laptop runs smoothly. You can count on it for all your needs. With over 500 recharge cycles, this battery is built to last. It's a durable and dependable replacement, giving you peace of mind. Get yours today. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron and Vostro models. Check the description to see if it fits your laptop. It is the perfect match for your device. This battery is 100% compatible with your original Dell battery. It meets CE, FCC, ROHS, and UL standards. If you have any issues within 12 months, contact us for support. What we like. With a long cycle life, this battery ensures lasting performance for your Dell laptop. It's designed to be a reliable replacement for multiple Dell Inspiron and Vostro models. If you need a dependable battery that can withstand frequent use, consider this one. What people say. The battery works perfectly. The battery is exactly what I needed. The battery fit perfectly and works great. Number 2. WDX0, our replacement battery for Dell laptops. Tired of your laptop dying too soon? This is the WDX0, our replacement battery, designed specifically for Dell Inspiron and Latitude series laptops. It's a reliable solution to keep your device powered up. This battery is a Li-ion type with 11.4 V voltage and a 42 Wh capacity. It features 3 cells and the model number is WDX0R. Make sure it matches your laptop's requirements. Important: this battery is not compatible with the 33WH, 56WH, or YYRD6, 42WH models. Please verify your original battery's model before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. This battery works with various Dell Inspiron and Latitude models. These include Inspiron 13, 15, 5000, 7000 series, and Latitude 3189, 3390, and more. Check the description for a full list. This WDX0, our replacement battery, is 100% compatible with original Dell batteries. It's CE/FCC RoHS certified and offers over 600 recharge cycles. We offer a satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron and Latitude models. The battery offers 600+ recharge cycles over its life. If you are looking for a battery that offers a long life and wide compatibility, you should consider this one. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit and works great. The battery life is excellent. The battery was easy to install. Number 1. XCMRD 40WH battery for Dell Inspiron. Introducing the XCMRD battery, designed to revitalize your Dell laptop. This battery offers a reliable power source, ensuring you stay productive or entertained for longer periods. This XCMRD battery is compatible with a wide range of Dell Inspiron and Latitude models. It's a perfect replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance for your device. The battery is made with grade A cells and built-in circuit protection. This ensures fast charging, low power consumption, and protection against overcharging and short-circuiting, keeping your device safe. With a 40 Wh capacity and a lifespan of up to 500 recharge cycles, this battery provides long-lasting power. It's a dependable solution for your daily computing needs. Backed by 20 years of expert production, the XCMRD battery features American high-end battery chips. It's designed for extended battery life and steady performance, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This battery features fast charging capabilities and built-in circuit protection for safety. With 20 years of expert production, it ensures both reliability and performance. If you prioritize safety and efficient charging, this battery is a great option. What people say. Works well and is compatible with my Inspiron computer. The physical installation was straightforward and a perfect fit for the Latitude 7480 chassis. I am consistently getting longer runtime than I remember getting even when the original Dell OEM battery was new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.